randomly sorting down in Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. To solve this problem, you simply need to click on Windows search icon at bottom left corner of your screen. Now type in View Advanced System Settings. And now on the best match, you can easily get the option of View Advanced System Settings. Select the Open button at right side. Now the System Properties window will appear, where you simply need to go to Advanced tab and locate Startup and Recovery section. Now click on the Settings, and here you need to check mark the Automatically Restart option and then click on OK button. And click OK button, and after that you simply need to restart your PC to save the changes. With that, you will successfully fix PC randomly sorting down issue in Windows 11 or 10. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.